the sinner? Would you be the preacher? Would you be my? It's the done, the done, done. I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it.
Hi there, Kezeah here of Wealthy Living You. So welcome to my channel. I hope you're not here to learn about how to get rich quickly or to know more about unbelievable quick gains, because if you are, feel free to click next because we don't talk about any of that garbage here. So the reason why I created this channel because I want to reach as much Filipinos as I can and talk about financial literacy, because sadly, most if not all of us are financially illiterate and does not give importance to experience financial freedom at a young age. The videos in this channel will cover financial literacy, money management, and self-growth techniques where I share my personal journey and thoughts towards achieving financial freedom in the Philippines. So this channel does not boast that any of the principles taught here is the best or the ultimate strategy. What Wealthy Living You intends is for you to realize that there are other ways of doing things, better ways of doing things, and remind you that you have the gift of choice. If you're into all the topics mentioned earlier, go hit the subscribe button to never miss any of my videos, and consider leaving a thumbs up if any of my videos added some value to you. So you're now officially one of the wealthy people in the Philippines. So just remember that you can be wealthy too. Nice meeting you.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the